Hey folks, it's Josh with TechBee. In this video, let's check out the most suitable models for you based on price, performance, durability, and more. If you wish to know more, go through the links given down the description. Let's get started. Not everyone can afford big bucks on the pricey models on the market. This one is the right pick for you if you're looking for a budget option.
The CV27Q is a beautiful 1500R curved monitor with an elegant design, which uses a contrast ratio of 3000 to 1, 8-bit VA panel supporting 90% of DCI P3. As a tactical monitor, it has all of the tactical features, which makes this monitor a perfect choice for gamers that love AAA games and media entertainment. Ours features a 27-inch QHD panel and a 16.9 ratio with a 165Hz refresh rate on this monitor. It also supports AMD FreeSync Premium Pro technology, which puts an end to choppy gameplay and broken frames. It creates a fluid and artifact-free performance at any frame rate, which also supports HDR technology. The Aorus CV27Q is one of the most responsive gaming monitors in the market today. By accelerating the twisting speed of the liquid crystals, the response time can be reduced to 1 millisecond, and lets you enjoy a fluent gaming experience without any ghosting effects. This feature is particularly useful with high-tempo games. The higher the color gamut of the panel, the more comprehensive the range of colors displayed. It also boasts the most advanced LED systems in the market today. With the RGB Fusion app, you'll be able to create a gaming ambiance exclusively to you by its intuitive UI and customizability. LED enthusiasts now have the chance to show off their creativity with the ability to customize multiple zones independently.
Coming up next, we have a versatile model for you. Let's see more into it.
The Tough Gaming VG27VQ is a 27-inch Full HD curved display with an ultra-fast 165Hz refresh rate. It is designed for professional gamers and those seeking immersive gameplay. Delivering stunning visuals from all angles with a 1500R curvature, it ensures that every point is exquisite to the eyes and contributes to greater viewing comfort, even during extended use. The super-fast 165Hz refresh rate ensures that even fast-paced games played at the highest visual settings look buttery smooth and completely lag-free. Featuring the latest ASUS exclusive extreme low motion blur technology, the Tough Gaming VG27VQ achieves 1 millisecond MPRT to eliminate smearing and motion blur. It makes objects in motion look sharper for more fluid and responsive gameplay. It also features shadow boost technology, clarifying dark areas of the game without overexposing bright areas, improving overall viewing while also making it easier to spot enemies hidden in dark areas of the map. Also, ASUS Blue Light Filter protects you from harmful blue light. The filter can easily be activated via the hotkeys on the back of the monitor.
This next model provides the best performance on the list. Check this out if you don't want to compromise the performance in any way.
The C27G1 has an 1800R curved frameless 27-inch VA panel in Quad HD with 144Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond MPRT, aimed at competitive and casual gamers. It features a fully ergonomic stand and 3 sides frameless design. You can enjoy the best quality visuals even in fast-paced games. The AMD FreeSync Premium technology ensures that the GPUs and monitors' refresh rates are synchronized, which provides a fluid, tear-free gaming experience at the highest performance. You can further expand your view with multiple monitor setups. The narrow border and frameless design offer minimal bezel distraction for the ultimate battle station. Also, the AOC flicker-free technology utilizes a DC backlight panel, reducing flickering light levels. With eye strain and fatigue minimized, feel free to enjoy those long, intense gaming sessions in comfort. A Quad HD on a 27-inch class widescreen allows you to view greater detail with more spacing and crisp and vivid visuals. Whether editing photos, videos, playing games, or even watching movies, the C27G1 gives you clarity with quality on a wide screen.
Moving forward, we have a great option that gives you excellent value for money.
With the new flagship of the ROG monitor fleet, you can expand your scope, allowing faster target acquisition while increasing immersive visuals with a 34-inch curved ultra-wide IPS panel. Bristling with advanced display tech, it also features NVIDIA G-Sync technology for smooth and seamless gameplay. While simultaneously sporting a 120Hz refresh rate, it also eliminates roadblocks between your skill and victory. The ROG Swift PG349Q gaming monitor features an ultra-wide QHD panel with a pixel density of 109 pixels per inch, so you can enjoy greater detail when playing games or watching movies. Its ultra-wide 21:9 aspect panel gives you 35% more on-screen desktop space than a WQHD display, so there's even more room for your various application windows when it's time to get work done. ROG Swift PG349Q also takes realism up a notch, giving you visuals with great textures, so even your in-game terrain maps boast impressive levels of detail. With an astonishing overclockable 120Hz refresh rate, fast-moving visuals pose no problems for this monitor. You'll enjoy silky smooth gameplay even at the highest visual settings, allowing you to react instantly to what's happening on screen. With the exclusive ASUS Aura Sync lighting technology, Swift PG349Q provides ambient lighting that can be synchronized with other Aura Sync enabled components and peripherals. To achieve perfect synchronization, connect the monitor to other peripherals by installing the Aura Sync software. Enjoy the coolest and most stylish backdrop for any gaming setup, and have all lights pulsing to the beat of your favorite music or game sound effects.
This one can be an excellent pick for anyone due to its multi-purpose function.
Game with a curved advantage on the ultra-wide 34-inch MSI gaming monitor featuring adaptive AMD FreeSync that matches your display refresh rate with any AMD GPU. With a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and a 1 millisecond response time, you'll be able to strike quickly in fast-moving games like first-person shooters. You also have the freedom to customize on-screen settings and RGB lighting with the MSI Gaming OSD and Mystic Light module. It also features intuitive media, such as a smart camera that allows you to log into your personalized profile even faster. If you stream with higher-end cameras featuring tripod mounts, use the included camera cradle to position the camera properly to the top of the monitor. With the Optics MPG341CQRV, you can go beyond the curve by ultra-immersive gaming made possible through the MSI. The 178-degree wide-angle anti-glare screen and ultra-narrow bezel further create seamless multi-monitor setups and all-around immersive gaming experience.
Here comes another model that managed to climb up this list. Let's see how it got here.
Samsung's CRG9 is a 49-inch super ultra-wide 32:9 curved gaming monitor with DQHD high resolution, delivering a jaw-dropping cinematic experience that fills your field of view. Designed for performance-seeking gamers, it boasts a massive amount of real estate, so you can upgrade your desktop experience and easily replace multiple smaller monitors. You can also view multiple windows like never before, and it is perfect for gaming development, video creation, editing, and anything with fast-moving content, such as financial trading or security monitoring. It delivers sharp, detailed images and provides all the space you need to multitask efficiently, without the need for inconvenient dual monitor setups. The super curved VA panel is designed for comfort, productivity, and style. With an 1800mm radius, the distance from the screen to the eye is more uniform, resulting in less eye fatigue when working or gaming for long hours. This monitor supports up to 125% of the sRGB color space, 95% DCI, and 1.07 billion colors with QLED technology. It has a brightness rating of 1000 nits and DCI-P3 95%, so colors are pure, bright, and true to life. With a super ultra-wide 32:9 ratio, the CRG9 curves around your field of view to immerse you in all the on-screen gaming action. The 120Hz settings minimize image lag and motion blur. The 60Hz settings lets you optimize performance. With picture-by-picture, you can also connect and view multiple input sources without degrading the original image quality. For example, you can watch a movie and do a web search while playing your favorite game.
With a high rating in overall performance, this product stands at the top of the list.
LG UltraGear is the athletic gaming display gear integrated with high-performing functions which can respond to any blockbuster games. See your way to victory with the innovative 38GL950GB gaming monitor, providing the crispest visuals and the sharpest clarity. You can experience breathtaking immersion on a nano IPS display with a reaction time of 1 millisecond. Sphere Lighting 2.0 draws you deeper into the game with bias lighting that enhances the experience while reducing eye strain. With the Sound Sync mode, the UltraGear lights up according to the dynamic sounds in the game. Also, the Video Sync mode lights up according to the visual effect colors appearing on the monitor, allowing you to immerse in the game entirely. The stylish design with Sphere lighting helps you create your gaming ambiance for better immersion, while the base can be adjusted to change the tilt and height of the monitor to help you play the game more comfortably. It also features NVIDIA G-Sync technology, along with 175Hz overclock's refresh rate for an unmatched gaming experience.
If you've watched this far, I'm sure you'll love this channel. So hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.